Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biomed at Prachi. I came back after many days because of some reasons, but don't worry, we are again on our biomedical journey. So guys, today I am touching NABH related aspect. It is an Indian continental standard for hospital and healthcare industry. In other countries it might be different, but the point I am going to share with all you are definitely very important and must to do for every biomedical department. So today's topic name is biomedical filing. That means these files are very much indeed for your departmental well-being, and of course it's an NABH standard practice to follow. So let's see which files are must to be in there in your biomedical department. So very first is asset list of medical electronic equipment. So this file includes the list of each and every medical equipment in hospital and organization that you are working in. This list comprises with name of equipment, company name, model name, serial number of equipment and date of installation. Second file is calibration certificates with national, international manufacturers traceability. This file includes calibration certificates of at the installation time of equipment as well as certificates of calibration on regular basis. Third file is PPM schedule. Long form of PPM is planned preventive maintenance. Your every equipment should go under preventive maintenance minimum twice a yearly. So you should maintain planned dating schedule for servicing and maintenance. Fourth file is PPM checklist. Again planned maintenance list. It would indicate or guide you whether your maintenance is done or not. Mention your maintenance perform date in list for better guidance. Fifth is calibration schedule. Like PPM schedule, you need to maintain a calibration schedule also. It should be done once in a year. Then sixth file is daily round register. Ideally, biomedical engineer must take daily round in every department of hospital wherever medical equipments are being used. For that, you need to keep one recorder register in which you should take signature of in charge of that department. Note down complaints from user on that day. That will not delay your service to medical equipment. Then seventh file is breakdown register. For every breakdown call of equipment, service report should be made. Whatever work has done on equipment either by internal biomedical engineer or by company engineer, service record should be there in service report form. These service reports must be attached in breakdown file, and whatever breakdown calls are received in biomedical department are get entered in breakdown register. Register will reflect equipment description, nature of complaint, call receiving date and completion date. This register will track downtime or uptime of equipment. Then the next file is history record of critical equipments. Now this one filing is such an important that whenever decision of condemnation of any equipment is need to take, then senior authorities first ask for the history record of that particular equipment. The ninth file is training record. Whichever trainings and learnings biomedical team has gone through, that record should be maintained in training records. Certificate should be attached with list. Next filing is duty roster. To maintain maximum runtime of biomedical department, biomedical engineers should always be in rotational shifts. Shifts should be fixed for a month, keeping engineers rotating around different shifts. That duty roster should be maintained and to be followed. Next is quality indicators. In that, there are some quality indicators to be maintained are equipment wise utilization time, specifically for high value equipments like CT, MRI, cath lab. Then percentage downtime or uptime equipment wise for high value equipment. Then percentage of equipment calibrated as per the schedule. Average response time for complaints or service request. And last is average completion time for closure of complaint. Then next filing is condemnation policy. Condemnation policy according to NABH guideline should be maintained in biomedical department. Guideline is when recurring expenditure on equipment becomes more than the actual cost so that it becomes financially unavailable. If total expenditure exceeds 50% of the current value, including CMC or AMC expenditure of the equipment, it should be condemned. Then the next filing is procurement policy. Procurement policy contains recognizing the need, then purchase requisition review, solicitation, evaluation and contract awarding, order management and keeping records. Then the next is new equipment issue or handover record. Whenever any new equipment is installed in any department, make an handover report for the respective department or keep an issue register for new installation. Then the next is QA reports of radiology. QA is quality analysis. For radiology equipments, optimum image quality with minimum possible dose to the patients is most important. For that, quality analysis is done. That's why QA reports of radiology equipment are meant to be stored. Biomedical Department Manual. Biomedical Department Manual should be in department indicating ideal procedures, standards, and rights of employees related to biomedical department. It should be according to NABH standard practices or any other standards your hospital follows. Then the last is form file. Form file comprises of capital indent form, that is for procurement purpose. Then the indent form, if any serious incidents has happened related to biomedical equipment or because of medical equipment, then incidents form is used. Then the condemnation form. At the time of condemnation of any medical equipment, condemnation form is filled up by biomedical engineer to ensure the end of use of that. So friends, in this way, every biomedical department should have these most important things to file up. Of course, you can add up as per your work priorities. If you like these guidelines related to filing, please like and share the information. We will meet soon again for new video. Till that, keep learning. Do your best. Bye bye.